Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all must be fine, isn't it? Take out your English grammar book, page number 25. Today I will explain you what are adjectives. Have you heard this word adjective? Have you heard this word? Adjective is a part of speech. Okay? What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that qualifies a noun. जो noun को qualify करता है, that is called adjective. While reading this book, you have to keep your pencil in your hand. Okay? An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. What is adjective? Adjective is a word that tells about a noun. For example, he is a tall boy. कैसा लड़का है? Tall. He is describing about the boy. Boy is a noun. Boy के बारे में बता रहा है कि boy is tall. Rose is a beautiful flower. Flower के बारे में बता रहा है कि beautiful है. Okay? Ranjan is a naughty boy. How is Ranjan? Naughty boy. It is qualifying, it is telling about the noun. What kind of boy? Naughty. Understood? Can you show me the red pen? Which pen? Red pen. Pen is what? Noun. And it is explaining about the pen. Pen is what? Which color? Red color. Therefore, red is here. In this sentence, red is adjective. Okay? Now third question. There are 5 computers in the room. How many computers are there in the room? It's mentioning it is 5. कितने कंप्यूटर है रूम में? 5. So 5 will be adjective in this sentence. Okay? An adjective describes or point out or tells the number or quantity of a noun. What adjective use? उसके बारे में बताएगा या कोई पॉइंट आउट करेगा या क्वांटिटी आपको बताएगा नाउन की. Remember, it always explains about the noun. That is why it is called a describing word. Therefore, it is called a describing word. Okay? Now, adjectives can be used in 2 different ways. How many ways adjectives can be used? First, in attributive case and in predicative case. Now, what is attributive case and what is predicative case? When the adjective is used before the noun, what it is written? जब adjective noun के पहले होगा, then it is called attribute adjective. And when the adjective is used after the verb, what it is written? When the adjective is used after the verb and forms part of the, जब verb के बाद में लिखा रहेगा, then it is called predicative. And when adjective is used before noun, then it is called attributive. Okay? Attributive adjective. When the happy family sat down for the dinner. Before the noun. Now in this sentence, what is noun? Which word is noun? Family. Family के पहले happy लगा हुआ है. Therefore, this happy is attributive adjective. Okay? Now in second sentence. The family is happy. Is what? It is linking verb. Verb के बाद में लग रहा है happy. Therefore, this happy is predicative adjective. Understood the difference between predicative and attributive? When the adjective is used before noun, noun के पहले लगेगा, then it is called attributive. And when adjective is used after verb and it forms the sentence, then it is called predicative attribute. Understood the difference between attribute and predicative? Shall we move further? क्या हम आगे पढ़े? Now kinds of adjectives. There are many kinds of adjectives. Quality, quantity. By reading these words, you can कैन अंडरस्टैंड. आप ये वर्ड पढ़ते जाओगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली वर्ड क्या डिनोट कर रहा है. ओके, ये क्वालिटी बता रहा है. क्वांटिटी, हाउ इज क्वांटिटी, सम, इनफ. नंबर, आपको नंबर बता रहा है. देयर आर 5 स्टूडेंट्स. Demonstrative, these, that, these, those. You have already read this all adjectives in previous classes. In class 3, class 4. Isn't it? Interrogative questions. Possessive, distributive. This you have to, this I will explain each and every kind of adjective deeply. Okay? हम एक adjective को complete आज पूरा I will explain you. Adjectives of quality. Quality means describe the kind or quality or the state of a noun. Remember always students कि adjective में हमको noun का ही रहेगा. इसमें पूरा गेम है noun का, because it describes about the noun. Therefore in quality what it will explain? It will explain the quality. It will explain the kind of a noun. किस तरीके का है. For example, good. He is a good boy. कैसा बॉय है? गुड. उसकी क्वालिटी बता रहा है कि वो गुड बॉय. He is शिवाजी महाराज was a brave king. कैसा किंग है? ब्रेव है. King is what? Noun. So it is the quality. She is a kind girl. वो बहुत दयालु लड़की. कैसी लड़की है? Kind. Understood students? Don't learn it. You have to learn only the names of the kinds of adjectives. You have to understood. Only in grammar you understood and remember the rules. Then you can easily get full marks in grammar. And this is the scoring topic of English language. Adjectives of quantity. अब quantity मतलब tells how much the thing is. There is some water in the glass. वहाँ बता रहा है कि ग्लास में कुछ पानी रखा हुआ है. They are used for uncountable nouns that cannot be counted. They are uncountable nouns. There is little water in the well. कुएं में थोड़ा सा पानी है. इसमें आपको क्वांटिटी नहीं बता, आपको नंबर नहीं बता रहा है कि कितना है. ठीक है. And in adjectives of number it informs how many things are there. There are 45 students in the class. Students is what? Noun. How many students? 45. So 45 is adjective of number. Understood? There are 20 benches in this class. Benches is what? Noun. कितने bench है? It is mentioning 25. So 25 will be adjective of number. Okay? Few, many. Cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all cardinal numbers. These are all adjectives. And ordinals first, second, third, fourth, fifth. अगर ये सारे words आपके sentences में दिए रहेंगे, then you can understand that this is adjective. Okay? Now turn your page. Demonstrative adjectives. What are demonstrative adjectives? Demonstrative adjectives are the words this, that, these, those. I am not going to explain you because these words you are hearing from class 1. Isn't it? आप ये सारे words this, that, these, those you are listening and you know the use of this, that, these, those. Okay? It points the specific people or thing. Now interrogative. Interrogative means question mark. If question वाले अगर questions वाले अगर sentence रहेंगे, such as which, whose, what. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Book is what? Noun. It is asking whose book is this. Okay? Then it will call interrogative adjectives. Now possessive. Possessive means it belongs to. Singular भी रह सकता है. It can be plural. Like us, his, her, my, your. This is my book. ये belong कर रहा है. Possession है. ये मेरा book है. Possession मतलब क्या होता है? ये मेरे को belong करता है. ये मेरा book है. This is your book. ये तुम्हारी book है. Your ये तुमको belong कर रहा है. It's not mine. So these are called possessive adjectives. Now distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are each of the students in this class is naughty. प्रत्येक स्टूडेंट ये क्लास का नॉटी है. क्या नॉटी है? नो. proper days, proper dress. So here every is what? Adjective of distributive. आपको distribute किया जा रहा है. Either do English homework or either do English homework, neither you do English homework nor maths homework. तो ये neither, what will be here? Neither is what? Adjective. Okay. Now emphasizing means a word such as own, very, that are used to emphasize an opinion about something. किसी का बता रहा है, उसके बारे में बता रहा है. जैसे that is the very girl who has won. उसने पर्टिकुलर बता रहा है, वो गर्ल को बता रहा है कि जिसने वो अवार्ड जीता है. यही वे लड़की है जिसने अवार्ड जीता. Therefore you will use here, these are emphasizing adjectives. And simple it is written कि this book is mine. This book is mine. This is my book. The book that belongs to Meera is the book. तो फिर ये क्या हो जाएगा? Emphasizing. That is the girl who stood first in the class. That is the girl. वो point out कर रहा है कि वह लड़की है जो क्लास में पहले आई थी. So here who is adjective, emphasizing adjective. Understood? Now proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Proper nouns means the nouns which are used for a specific name of a particular person, animal, thing, city. Okay, उसमें आपका capital words is given in proper nouns. These describe a thing by referring to the proper noun. Shakespearean play, an Indian farmer, the Roman Empire, the English language. अगर ये सब ये रहेगा, what is Shakespeare? Shakespeare is the name of dramatist. Shakespeare का play, Shakespeare का drama, Shakespearean play. So here the Shakespeare is proper noun. अब उसके साथ में जो adjective बना Shakespeare का और adjective बन गया Shakespearean play. Indian, India is what? Noun, proper noun, and its adjective is Indian. Roman. Understood? So these are called proper adjectives. Always remember, proper adjectives are formed by proper nouns. Understood? Now in next class I will explain you how to form the adjectives and order of adjectives. Okay? First you read this lesson till I have taught you today. What I have teach you today? क्या पढ़ा आज हमने? Adjectives. What you mean by adjectives? What is the use of what is called attributive? What is predicative? And all kinds of adjectives. In your copy, first you have to make another grammar copy. In that grammar copy, you have to write the definition of adjective. Adjective की परिभाषा लिखोगे with example and kinds of adjectives. Okay, नहीं. Then you will write attributive use. What is attributive? What is predicative? Afterwards, you will write kinds of adjectives with definition and give four examples. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.